Hi, welcome back everyone. Today's practice is just going to be a very simple mindfulness practice. We're just going to do a couple of our deep breaths and then just connecting in with our body. This practice can be used best if maybe we only have a couple of minutes just to maybe ground ourselves and feel a little bit more centered. So coming into our upright but comfortable positions, I'll invite you just to gently lower your gaze and close your eyes when it feels comfortable. Start by taking 3 really deep breaths in through the nose and letting out through the mouth with a big sigh. Now just letting your breath return back to its natural rhythm. I'll invite you now just to bring your attention all the way down to the soles of your feet. Just feeling for a second where the feet contact with the ground. Just bringing your whole awareness down to the sensation as the feet contact with the floor, or if you're lying down, where the bed contacts the back of the legs. And just exploring that sensation with curiosity. Allowing all the muscles in the legs, the big and the small ones, to go heavy and limp. And just noticing the full weight of the body transferring into the feet. Just allowing your body to go limp like a rag doll. As you breathe in, just breathing that breath into a really soft belly. And as you breathe out, just noticing those muscles relax even more. And if at any time your mind wanders off to sounds in this environment, or sounds in your environment, or thoughts in your head, just note that you've been distracted, not judging, and just bringing your attention gently back to the sensation of the body in contact with the bed or the floor. Just noticing with curiosity how the body feels. Now, moving that awareness now to the upper body and doing the same with that. Just letting whatever tension that you're holding here that needs to relax, just let that go. Let your arms and your neck and your shoulders and your stomach and your back, let any tension that you're holding here just release, relax and let go. Let all the weight of your body transfer into your seat or into where you're lying right now. If you notice that your mind is wandering off and you need somewhere to bring your attention to a particular part of your body, like your feet or your hands, and just notice the aliveness. If you begin to focus your attention long enough, you might begin to feel a tingling or a fuzziness. Just allow your attention to rest there. Just letting your body and your mind relax. So whenever you feel ready, just allowing your attention to come back into your surroundings. And when it feels comfortable, just gently opening up your eyes. If your body's feeling really asleep right now, you can begin just to wiggle about and move your fingers and your toes. But I wouldn't be in a big hurry just to wake yourself up together. Just allowing yourself to feel that sense of calm. And if you've got some of the day left, just bringing that sense of ease and that calm into the rest of your day. So hope you enjoyed our practice today, and we'll see you back again next week. Thank you.